out my channel. This is the first video of the channel, and we're just going to do a simple chicken taco. Very easy recipe. This is not authentic Mexican, so this is just a quick, easy chicken taco recipe that you can do at home. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with chicken thighs. I prefer using chicken thighs when doing this. So what we're going to do is we're going to start getting the chicken thighs off the bone and de-skinned. So we'll just remove the skin and also take it off the bone. These are some beautiful thighs we have here. And just to let you know, you probably are wondering why there's rib cage in these thighs. I am actually in the Philippines starting this channel, so things are cut a little bit different here. So we're just going to remove the bone, and then we're going to end up dicing these thighs up so we can get them seasoned up and into the pan for cooking. Now that we have the chicken thighs diced up, as you can see, we're going to move on to seasoning the chicken. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then, in the Philippines, they like to package all their seasonings like this. So, about 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Okay, then we have about a teaspoon of granulated garlic, which likes to stick together when there's humidity in the air. Alright, so you gotta work with what you got. So 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. Then what we're going to work with is we have some oregano. Everybody loves oregano. But first we're going to add onion powder. I promise the pancake video will be much better. And then oregano. Take the lid off. It doesn't want to come out very good. Okay, now we give it a toss. Get it all nice and done up. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the fridge for about 1 hour and 45 minutes. So we'll see when we come right back. Now, after about 1 hour marinating in the fridge, we have our chicken over here, and we are going to cook it. We're not editing that out. Alright, so we're going to learn from our mistakes, but we're still going to have simple chicken tacos. So we're going to turn this on to about stir fry. Well, about medium heat. We're going to let that heat up. And then, while that is cooking, my wife, my beautiful assistant Queenie, so wait to the camera, is going to help me try to make it through the rest of this video. Alright, so we got that heated up. We're going to saute that in. We're going to saute that up, and then while that is cooking, what we're going to do is we're going to do like really simple salsa to go on top of it. I mean, it's very simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to chop some tomatoes, throw the tomatoes in, and we are going to, we have, the Philippines for some reason cannot grow big onions. I don't know why, but that's okay. Stir the chicken, it's coming along beautifully. Oh, smell that chicken. And what we're going to do is, while it's cooking, we're going to cut up. We do not have limes. In the Philippines, I have not been able to find limes, but they have probably the best citrus fruit I've ever found in my life. Calamansi. Called calamansi. These are amazing. But if you're in the United States, my home country, go ahead and use limes. What you're going to want to squeeze about half a lime into this. If you're in the Philippines, you're going to want to go with, I'm going to use 2 calamansis, just adding a little extra flavor. And the reason why I'm putting my hand like this is to catch the seeds, because you don't want the seeds in your tacos. Right. And then I'm going to turn this down a little bit. Look at that. My in-laws have been waiting for the chicken tacos. I've been promising this for a couple of weeks now, but Christmas and New Year's kept getting in the way. And so now that everything is over, all the celebrations are over, we can finally give them the tacos that they deserve. So for you that are seeing this, me on YouTube as a cook for the first time, and didn't know I was a cook, congratulations, welcome to my world. If you like being in my world and watching me splash oil on myself, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button, that helps also. Whoop, almost dropped an onion there. One of these days, it's been a while since I've been in the restaurant business. One of these days, I will learn how to cook correctly. And then there's strange sounds coming from outside. Alright, now, for some reason they don't like to label the peppers in the Philippines, but there are no jalapenos. If you're in the United States, use some jalapenos or peppers of your choice, but these are some green chilies I found here in the Philippines. Clear that off onto our little garbage plate. Now we're going to dice some peppers. We're going to put one in this small batch of salsa. Because this pepper is pretty spicy. And because I like spice, and everybody else in the family likes spice, we're going to leave the seeds. I think that's a cat on a tin roof right now outside. Am I correct with that, Queenie?
Yeah.
That's one thing you'll never, there's never a shortage of, is cats and dogs in the Philippines. And they're all happy, very friendly. Alright, so now we got that in. Now we're going to squeeze in 3 calamansis. And we're going to turn our chicken off. Because even though it is chicken thighs, and they're very forgiving, we still do not want to overcook them. This is the reason why I like using chicken thighs, is because chicken breasts dry out so quickly. Alright, so once we finish this salsa, and then go ahead and have we got a leaf there. We will have, oh, we got a strainer. Thank you, babe. She's the best. Alright. So, alright, 3 calamansis, probably about, I would say, half a lime into your salsa. And then, maybe a spoon, please. I was not prepared for this. But, we're going to add a little bit of salt and granulated garlic into this. A little pinch of salt to bring out the flavor. And somebody's calling.
No.
Somebody's. Alright, so now we got a little salsa going. We got our chickens going. And now we're going to run over here, grab a plate. And what we have here, I found tortillas in the Philippines, which is absolutely amazing. So, I'm going to make a taco. I want to tell you how it tastes. See if I actually did a good job. So we'll put some chicken down. Alright, and a little bit of salsa on top. It's a very simple salsa. I don't even know if you can call it salsa. And then, here we go. It's a beautiful thing. Go ahead, make these simple chicken tacos for anybody who's never had tacos before, and they will love it. Alright. Let me finish chewing first. Very rude to speak with my mouth full. So, thank you guys, whoever few of you have joined to watch the video. I will see you in the next video, and I don't know, I don't have a catchphrase yet, so see you.